हे एवरीवन, दिस इज सिद्धार्थ फ्रॉम द चैनल ऑफ यूनाइटेड स्पोर्ट्स। तो जैसा कि आप लोग देख चुके हैं, हम लोग आ चुके हैं वापस एक बार 7 नेशनल सवाती चैंपियनशिप के इस मैदान में जो 2024 में कोलकाता के इंडोर स्टेडियम में होने को जा रहा है। तो इससे पहले मैं आपको सर से मिलवाना चाहूँगा और सर अपना खुद से इंट्रोडक्शन देंगे।
Yeah, my name is Dr. KP Nadaraj, President Kerala Savate Association, and we are practicing Savate kickboxing for more than 2 years. And this time we have a team from Kerala, and they are now participating in this national championship. And there are so many classes in Kerala, and we are preparing for the forthcoming Asian Savate Championship in Delhi in the next year, 2025.
Sir, what is the main motive of this game?
Pardon?
What is the main motive of this game?
This is it's a competitive game because it's a self-defense also. This is a French based in this French kickboxing, like say. So anyone can learn this martial art. It's a simple one, simple technique, and that will be useful to self-defense also. And at the same time, they can participate in competitions like this and win medals, and that inspire students, and in future they will get marks or grades while they are studying in school.
Sir, as I see, there are two types of several types techniques like combat and assault.
Yes.
What's the difference?
Yeah, in combat sports, there's a light touching. It's not so hard. Just touching and backing.
In
But
combat?
yeah, in assault. But in combat, we can use little more force.
Yes.
So, but it is not too much. It is not dangerous, but easy to train and easy to practice and easy to combat. That's the main difference. It's this level of power applying. In combat, more power. In assault, less power.
Sir, as we know about the international players of Savat and the national players of Savat, what do you have to say for those players?
Yeah, internationally it's a very big and famous game, and many of the countries they are practicing right now. And right now in India, we are also struggling to reach that potential, and we are giving our time and effort to promote good this Savatekas to the international championship that is going to held in New Delhi in February.
Sir, how many years that in India Savat associated?
I think it's more than 80 years in India we are practicing this now.
Is Savat in Olympics?
Many countries they have Olympic association, and Savate is a part of that. Their Olympic association in that particular country. Now we are moving on that line, and maybe I hope in shortly we will get the recognition from Olympics.
Okay, sir, one last question. What is the main motive of this 7 National Savat Association Championship?
Because we have to promote this to everywhere in India, and in India we have most of the states we have trainers and coaches and referee and judges, and the state association also there, and everybody make this sport become more popular, and so, because so many people are not aware of about these sports in some places, but our main motive is to spread there also these competitive sports, and we will bring them also to this arena, and internationally as well as in nationally.
ओके सर, थैंक यू सर। तो जैसा कि सर ने बताया कि हमें इस स्पोर्ट्स के बारे में कुछ अलग अलग जानकारी दी गई है, और यहाँ पे जैसे 7 नेशनल सवात चैंपियनशिप जो आपको कोलकाता के PL स्टेडियम में हो रहा है, उसके बारे में सर ने बताया कि हमारा मेन मोटिव यही है कि इस गेम्स को थोड़ा सा फेमस करना, क्योंकि इंडिया में उतना कुछ खास पॉपुलर नहीं है, बट ये धीरे धीरे करके अपनी ऊंचाई को बढ़ा रहा है, और लास्टली ये भी कहीं ना कहीं एक मुकाम पे आ जाएगा। धन्यवाद।